Are you tired of looking at your default Windows wallpaper and your square icons that you have to double click to open? Well, lucky for you, today I'm going to teach you how to create a custom desktop. So first what you want to do is search up a rain meter. This is an app that's going to allow you to create a custom desktop. You want to download the final release, and once that's done, you can go ahead and open it up. It's going to ask you for standard or portable installation, just choose standard. And then you can choose where you want to save the program. I'm not going to hit install because I already have the program. So after you download Rain Meter, it should open up. It'll look a little something like this, and even if you close it, it'll be right here in this little show hidden icons section. It's the little raindrop. You can just click it once and it'll open. So after getting Rain Meter, you also want to get its mod called Honeycomb. Search it up, it's the first one there, and then you just want to download that. Once it's done downloading, you can also open this. It'll ask you to install. Again, I already have it, so I'm not going to. And then it will pop up in your active skins. So the next step in starting to customize your desktop is to find a different wallpaper. This is where I'm getting mine from. And once you find that image, you can go ahead and right click that, save image as, and you'll default to your downloads folder, but I have a special folder for wallpapers and I already have it saved here. So once you've got that wallpaper saved, you just want to find where you saved it to, right click on it, and then set as the desktop background, and now you'll have a new wallpaper. So the next step is to create an icon for the shortcut that you're going to make. You want to locate your documents, and then find the Rain Meter folder. In here you'll find Honeycomb as one of your skins. You'll also find a lot of different folders that are used for a lot of different shortcuts. You'll also find in the @resources folder that there's a bunch of images that you can use for said shortcuts. There's a lot of images that come with the Honeycomb skin, but some of them you have to make on your own, like this Microsoft Teams one that I made. In the case that they're not already made for you, there's a template all the way at the bottom of the folder that you can open up in Photoshop. Once you're in Photoshop, you can go ahead and create your icon and color it whatever way you like. Once you're done making your icon, hit save as and save on your computer. You're going to want to find the @resources folder from earlier and save your image to there. You can name it whatever you like, but always make sure that you change the file type to a PNG file. So now let's make our shortcut for the desktop. You'll see there isn't a preset folder for this, so I'm going to make one. First I'll copy one of these folders that they already have, and then I'll paste it to make a copy. I'm going to rename this to MS Teams. And then we can go in and hit the INI file. This right here is what makes the skin work. I'll rename it to MS Teams as well, and then when you open it up, it should open up a notepad. This name right here doesn't matter, but I'll rename it anyway. The thing that really matters is the image name right here. This will get the image for your icon. I named it MS Teams like everything else, so I'll put msteams.png behind this slash right here. The next part that really matters is the left mouse up action. Basically, a click consists of two parts, the downstroke when you click and the upstroke when you release. This line here means that you only have to click the icon once to open whatever it's connected to. In order to connect something, we need to have a file path in between these quotation marks right here. So let's find the file path for Microsoft Teams. You're going to go down here to the search bar, and you're going to search up Teams. We can right click that and open the file location. This is where it's really important to pay attention. Here it says this is a shortcut, which means this is not the actual app. We're going to right click and go to properties, and we can open the file location again. This here is an application, but this isn't my Teams app, so I'm going to go find that real quick. Here it is. This is the application I'm looking for. I'm going to right click this, hit properties, and highlight this location right here. We're going to highlight the whole thing, copy it, and we're going to go back and paste it into this notepad. But we're not done yet. We still need the application's name. So if we go back, we can see that the application name is just Teams with a capital T. So once you're done linking that file, you can go ahead and save the notepad and close everything out. So now we can go back to Rainmeter and look for the honeycomb skin, and we're going to find that MS Teams folder that we just made. If you don't see it here, it's completely fine. Just go down to the bottom and hit refresh all. It should be there now. So now you just want to click on that and load the skin, and it'll pop up somewhere on your screen. You can drag it around, you can right click on it and edit anything on there. And you're probably thinking, well, what do I do about all these other icons? Do I have to delete them? Not necessarily. You can go ahead and just right click on your desktop, hover over View, and then uncheck that Show Desktop Icons bar. And now you can place this wherever you want. So thanks for watching. I know this was a pretty long video and the process is pretty complicated, but I really like doing custom stuff like this. If you want to learn more about the process, go ahead and send me a DM on like Discord or Twitter or something. I'll leave my information somewhere on the screen. Anyway, thanks again. See ya.